His monkey? You love that monkey. And the lion? You love your lion? That's right. What about giraffe to giraffe? You talking with your monkey? That's right. It's your monkey. What are you telling him? Oh. You're telling him how good You're telling him how good your bib tastes? It looks delicious. Yeah. That bib looks delicious. Oh. Now. Oh. All right. Anything else? Yes. That's right. That's right. What else, honey? What else happened? Yes. That's right. I couldn't agree more. Oh. Really? Yes. The lion? Is your lion? You love your lion, right? You love him. Yeah. You can grab it. Oh, you got him. Oh. You got him. Very good. Good girl. So strong. Did you grab your lion? You got him? Go ahead, grab his leg. You want to grab monkey? He's monkey. You want to get him? Almost. Well, the giraffe's in your mouth. He's monkey. Yeah? Yeah. Fun. It looks so fun. Alright, we're going to change your diaper. Yeah, alright, we're going to change your diaper. It's a diaper. Hello, diaper. Yeah. Oh no. Who knew changing a diaper would be so fun? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What are you doing with this bit? Here you go. Your bib's got a little drool on it, honey. Yeah. It's lying. All right. Let's change this diaper. Okay. Bye-bye.